powerful performances की अगर बात करें तो मतलब she is irreplaceable. Give it up for the gorgeous Tabu, ladies and gentlemen. अब जिन्हें मैं यहाँ बुलाना चाहूँगा, as I said, he's made the entire world dance to his tunes. मतलब epic music की अगर बात करें तो it is an honor, sir. Give it up for Mr. M.M. Cream, ladies and gentlemen. And साथ में बुलाना चाहूँगा उनको जिनके बिना कोई भी love story मुझे नहीं लगता पूरी होती है. Give it up for Jimmy Shergill साहब, ladies and gentlemen. Please sir, आइए. अच्छा ये सर. Welcome sir. And ladies and gentlemen, two of these promising actors, the superstars of tomorrow who are already killing it. Give it up for Shantanu and Sai, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar Tanya.
Will tell you to, you know.
Ajay Devgan sir is here, ladies and gentlemen. Shantanu is in the house. Come on, make some noise. Of course, Kumar Bhagat sahab, swagat hai. And Neeraj Pandey sahab is here with us.
Center. Thank you. थोड़ा नीचे बस भाई फोन मिली.
Thank you so much for doing this.
कम क्लोज. ये क्या कर रहे हो? अभी देखो थोड़ा भाई थोड़ा नीचे करेगा.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have these very important people here. Of course, we have Kumar Manpal.
When you got to know, you have to work with Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am. And second, Ajay sir is known for his on-set prank thing. He's an ultimate prankster. तो कुछ prank हुआ आप पे? नहीं वैसे तो कुछ नहीं
यार ये प्रैंक का सवाल
क्योंकि
ना
आपने इनके साथ
इतना घिस
शूटिंग
गया और
नहीं
इतना
की।
पुराना हो गया कि प्रैंक्स होते नहीं है.
What was your first reaction when you got to know?
I was very excited. I remember going home and telling mom and dad, and they kept a little puja the next day, and they were very happy. And yeah, I think that was a very sweet celebration at home.
जी.
Hi.
Story बनाने के लिए.
First of all, thanks to all of you for coming in. हाँ 16 साल लगे because the first one that I ever wanted to make was a love story. Unfortunately, nobody wanted to produce it, so me and Sheetal, we had to wait for 16 years to come up with this one. Yeah.
Right.
Ajay sir, working with Tabu ji again for the first time, I would say. This is as fresh as ever. Question भी यही हट के होगा. सर कैसा लगा उनके साथ पहली बार काम करके?
अभी कुछ लगता ही नहीं है. अभी इतना काम कर लिया साथ में ऐसे कुछ लगता ही नहीं है कि सेट पे किसी को स्टार के साथ काम कर.
औरों में कहा दम था कि मेरे साथ इतनी फिल्में कर लेते.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अच्छा हम लोग सही जा रहे हैं. तबू मैम, my heart skipped a beat. जब वो आपको ऊपर से अजय सर देख रहे हैं, आप गाड़ी से उतर रहे हो, ऐसे क्या होता है सेट पे जब ऑफ कोर्स एक ब्रेक के बाद आप दोनों मिलते हो एक दूसरे को, हाउ इज द वाइब लाइक? क्या हो रहा होता है उस वक्त?
इन द फिल्म और
रियल लाइफ
में मैं बताता हूँ.
रियल लाइफ में बोल ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज
रियल लाइफ में जैसे शॉट पूरा होता है आके बैठो, इसका वो कंप्लेनिंग चालू हो जाता है. ये हो गया, गर्मी कितनी है, ये देखिए हो गया, तो ये चल रहा है.
और इसकी गॉसिप शुरू हो जाती.
मेरी कोई गॉसिप नहीं होती, मैं गॉसिप करता
झूठ
ही
मत बोल, सबके बारे में पूछता है मेरे को.
ये बड़े सारे राज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. जिमी
नहीं.
सर,
मतलब तुझे पता होता है.
जिमी सर, दिस वंस फॉर यू. जैसा मैंने कहा, कोई भी लव स्टोरी आपके बिना पूरी नहीं होती. जब ये फिल्म आई थी सर, क्या चल रहा था ज़हन? You complete the thing, you know.
मैं हंस रहा था जब आपने ये बोला था कि कोई लव स्टोरी कंप्लीट नहीं होती है. बट क्या बोलूँ यार.
If you know, you know वाला फंडा था यहाँ पे. जी.
हाँ.
A man of few words. Give it up for Jimmy Baji, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, M.M. Cream Saab, thank you so much, sir, for gracing the event. Thank you so much for being here.
Questions to Jimmy sir. So like we talked about how you are a special part of love stories. So and how love is complicated. So sir, according to you, love में जब इतनी complications होती है, there's fate, there's destiny. So जो एक लड़ाई होती है ना, लोग कहते हैं कि अपने प्यार के लिए लड़ना चाहिए. So how would you justify, till what extent is it justified?
मैंने पहले वाले में बहुत अवॉइड की थी आपने घेर ही लिया है, लेकिन मैं फिर भी बताने वाला नहीं हूँ कि लड़की है कि भाग गई है कि क्या तो बस इतना ही है.
And Tabu ma'am, I just wanted to know from you. So you know, like we talked about aging of love and how meanings are changing with time. So if you have to summarize it in like few words, how would you summarize love in 2024?
But it's the same as in 1824 or 1724 or 1624. The feelings have always been the same. It's just that how much more you express and how much you can and you can't. So the feelings don't change. I think the whole process since humanity has been the same. The feelings have always been the same.
Tabu, just in here from Indian Express to your left here. I think you kind of here to your left. Yeah. I think you did kind of answer, but I just wanted to know how empowering is it to sort of play a romantic lead at this stage of your career? Because it kind of also defies very conventional casting stereotype, where women can't romance on on screen once they cross a certain age, and I think this is on screen very empowering. But what does it mean for you to be a romantic star today?
I want to first of all thank Neeraj for this. I don't know, it feels great, of course, but if we see it as, if we underline it that romance only belongs to the young or to a certain age group, then it changes, the whole definition changes and the way you look at it changes. Whereas, like I said, I don't think there is any barrier when you talk about romance and love and relationships. Actually, it's more relationship than love and romance, I feel. And human relationships are the most interesting thing that have lent themselves for cinema. And and love and attraction is a part of that human relationship. I think that's the most beautiful thing to explore, I think, for a filmmaker, also because there is no end to, where you can take that relationship. So, yeah.
Also, Neeraj, a quick follow-up. I think you said you wanted to make a romantic film when you first came, like 16 years ago. But even today, the trend seems to be very anti-romance on screen. It's at least box office-wise, it's a time of big actioners doing big money. Is this also a risk? Were there people who told you that why are you making a romantic film in 2024? Because the trend suggests otherwise.
Yeah, there are always these doubting Thomases in your lives, right? So you do what you want to do, simply ignore that sort of advice and go on with your conviction. Since everybody is doing action, maybe it was more imperative that I do a love story then.
Thank you.
Hello. Cream, Mr. Cream, sir. Why only Bharsab is giving me chances? So after the interview was done, every time I used to ask myself a question. और मैं कहाँ दम था? तो आंसर मिल गया. In form of Neeraj Pandey. So it's working with Neeraj is like staying at home, because the place where I work here and Mumbai itself become a home away from home. Thank you, Neeraj, for believing in me constantly.
Thank you, sir.
And this film has been a very great journey for the past 2 years, and we enjoyed every moment of it. I hope you will enjoy the film too. Thank you.
But I must say, when Neeraj narrated me the script, it really touched me, it really moved me. And then, what sealed it was when Neeraj immediately narrated me this, made me hear the song.
Yeah. One song was recorded when we had met. So.
And it was just apt, and everything fell into place.
And it is beautiful, whatever we've just heard. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. Sai and Shantanu, this one's for you. You're playing these wonderful characters on screen. If in real life you had to imbibe some quality or some values from these two stalwarts, Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am, क्या होगा वो जो अपने अंदर लेना चाहेंगे? Sai?
I think for me, growing up, my father's favorite actor has always been Tabu ma'am, and he's told me this time and again since they worked in Astitva together. So I think her choreograph and her journey is so inspiring, and Ajay sir's versatility is so inspiring for any young actor. And yeah, these two.
Shantanu.
Quite same, I would say. Tabu ma'am, obviously, her performances and her versatility as well. And with Ajay sir, I think sir ki choice of picking up stories and coming up with something new, and his dialogue delivery, obviously, which you said. So I think that
It's something else.
yeah, it's something else.
Oro mein
It's,
Kaadam.
it's different. Yeah.
It does. It does. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the cast of this amazing, amazing film, Oro Mein Kaadam. I know we have a lot of questions, so we'll do the questions first and then a photo op, right? So, where are we getting the first question from? Jima, please.
Hi, this is Priyanka from The Telegraph here. My question is actually for Ajay and Tabu both. I mean, there's so much made about the chemistry that the two of you share on screen. I just wanted to know that do you remember your first day on set together, which I think was about 3 decades ago on Vijaypat? What was that like?
I honestly don't remember. You remember? No, we don't remember.
Okay.
I think it was the song. I think we were shooting in राह में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई खुदरे मुंह.
I remember the song, but I don't know if that was the first day.
Yeah, actually, even I don't know.
But had you met, I mean, before making that film?
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
friends
we've
much
known each
before.
other since much before that.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
नीरज जी, आपने अपनी पहली फिल्म से ही बता दिया था कि आप बहुत लीग से हटकर बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बनाने वाले हैं, और उसके बाद लगातार आपने उस तरह की फिल्में बनाएंगे. तो ये एक इतनी सेंसिटिव स्टोरी, लव स्टोरी, इसका ख्याल कैसे आया आपको? आपने धोनी में थोड़ा बहुत किया है, लेकिन आपका फोकस ज्यादातर हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म और सीन्स में होता है.
मेरा मानना है उसके लिए भी सेंसिटिविटी की ज़रूरत होती है, चाहे वो वेडनेसडे थी या बेबी थी, अलग तरह का पैशन है उसमें. बट I really don't know how to answer that one. It's a part of the storytelling job, I guess.
Hi, this is Vidisha from Shambhav in Kolkata. My question is to Tabu. You have been in this business like more than 40 years, and you have done it like almost nearly 40 years, and you have done it so successfully. So, looking at your journey, what do you think how you made it and still continuing, and what's the most priceless thing you think you got, you have achieved?
It's a very, very, very deep question. I think उसको answer करने के लिए बहुत वक्त लग जाएगा. But what I've got and what I cherish the most, I think, is the love and respect and appreciation that I've got from everybody all around the country, from all around the world. I think there is nothing that can equal that, and it's genuine love. That's what I
And
treasure
also,
most.
how would you describe your journey with your co-star Ajay Devgan? Something on that.
The journey is ongoing. It'll be a part of my life as long as I live, I think. So, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi guys, hey. Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am, I just want to ask, इधर आपके सामने इधर. Hi. सबसे पहली बात, एजिंग जो होती है सिनेमा में, वो जो आप लोगों ने बदला है, लाइक समय दर समय जो एजिंग था सिनेमा को वो बदला, लेकिन जो आज हमने स्क्रीन पे देखा वो कमाल करा है, क्योंकि आपने इतने साल लाइक सिनेमा को बदलते हुए देखा है. लाइक ये जो कहते हैं ना कि एक समय के बाद लव स्टोरी जो शुरू होती है, क्योंकि आप जब दे दे प्यार दे भी हमने देखी थी, उसमें भी लाइक एक उम्र के बाद प्यार हो रहा है, वो चीज़ दिखाई गई थी. आपको कितना लगता है कि कैसे जनरेशन बदल रही है, आजकल की जनरेशन चाहती है कि माँ बाप भी खुलेआम प्यार करें, राइट? सो डू यू ऑलवेज हैव दिस इन माइंड कि हम क्या सर्व कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज ये हमेशा टच करता है. और आज जो हमने देखा, मुझे लग रहा था 5 बार और ट्रेलर चलाते तो हम उस सीन को घूर सकते थे बैठकर. मुझे ये जानना कि जब ये एजिंग ऑफ लव है, ये आप दोनों के लिए कैसा है ऑन सिनेमा, क्योंकि सिनेमा बदला है. पहले लव सिर्फ होता था लड़का लड़की जो उस उम्र के हैं, लेकिन आज की डेट में कहते हैं ना मैच्योर लव स्टोरी बहुत
उम्र बढ़ने के साथ जो फीलिंग्स है वो और चाहे किसी भी किस्म की फीलिंग्स हो, वो और गहराई में जाती हैं. You start thinking deeper, you start feeling deeper, negative, positive, whichever way. तो आप काफ़ी चीज़ें एनालाइज करते हो जो आप एक उम्र तक नहीं करते हो। एक उम्र तक वो एक बचपना होता है जो जब चला जाता है तो जो एक्चुअल फीलिंग्स है वो आपको नजर आनी शुरू होती है या समझनी शुरू होती है।
तब्बू मैम?
आई थिंक सिनेमा का जहाँ तक सवाल है, ये बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन आई थिंक फिल्म मेकर्स का भी रहा है इस फिल्म में। आई शुड गिव द क्रेडिट टू नीरज फॉर एनविजनिंग दिस लव स्टोरी विद मी एंड अजय। और आई थिंक हमारी लाइक यू सेड सोसाइटी बदलती है तो हमारा सिनेमा बदलता है, यू नो हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट बदलता है। सो आई थिंक इट्स नाइस। सो yeah, society changes almost everything around you.
Aging on cinema.
Aging in cinema,
This
I
is going
don't know if.
so beautiful on you, I guess.
Thank you. So because it's him now. But yeah, like he said, there is no age. I think आजकल वो सब labels चले गए हैं ना कि romance is only for the young. Like he said, the depth of feelings and the way you look at love and romance changes with age, and I think there is space for all of that. आज सिनेमा में हर चीज के लिए जगह है, but of course ये सारी चीजें coincide होंगी तो ही ऐसी फिल्में बनती हैं। स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स, विजन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स और फिर ऑडियंस का टेस्ट।
Hello.